Mitosis is the division of genetic material in the nucleus. Mitosis is responsible for growth and is also responsible for repair of damage. This is done by producing identical body cells. However, our cells are not dividing all the time. If this were to occur, it would result in cancer, which is uncontrolled cell division. Most of a cell's life is spent in interphase. During this phase, growth, DNA replication, and cell functions occur. In the cell cycle, a cell spends 90% of its time in interphase and only 10% of its time performing mitosis. The first step of interphase is G1, which stands for gap 1. During this phase, the cell grows. The next phase is the S phase, and during this phase, DNA replication occurs. In G2, the cell continues growing, and then mitosis happens. In order to make more cells, they need to have the same DNA. The DNA is organized by condensing into chromosomes. Chromosomes are made out of DNA and proteins. Humans have 46 chromosomes in each of their cells' nuclei. Chromosomes are counted by the number of centromeres present. Centromeres are the part of a chromosome where sister chromatids are held together. When the 46 chromosomes duplicate, we will say there are 46 chromosomes because they are counted by the number of centromeres. Chromatids are still attached. They are the strands of replicated chromosome. The stages of mitosis can be remembered as PMAT, which stands for prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the first stage of mitosis, the nucleus is still present inside the cell. During this stage, the chromosomes are visible and they are condensing. After condensing, the nucleus is disassembled, and the chromosomes start to line up in the middle of the nucleus. This stage is called metaphase. During anaphase, the sister chromatids separate to opposite sides of the cell. The chromosomes are moving with the help of the spindles and centriole, which are fibers. In the last stage of mitosis, telophase, the chromosomes are at complete opposite ends of the cell, and new nuclei are forming on each side of the cell. Cytokinesis is the final separation into two cells by splitting the cytoplasm.